Thank you for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Today we're going to talk about ignition switches, your key switch in your lawnmower. How they look alike, but they're not. So stay tuned until the end. We're also going to announce a giveaway when we hit 400 subscribers. I think we're about 390 right now. So I appreciate the people subscribing. Click that button and hit the bell, because as soon as we hit 400, I'm going to announce a giveaway, and I'll show you at the end of this video what we're giving away. So stay tuned, folks. Let's go check out these switches. Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Well, looks like lunch break is over. Next up is going to be a John Deere with some serious electrical problems. All right, here it is. It's green and yaller. Can you fix that? Maybe. What a mess. They got wires all twisted together. Well, let's get this old thing in the shop and see if we can fix it. Well, I thought we was going to do a video on this machine. Got it in here, and we look. This thing has got 817 hours on it. Then I get to looking it over. I'll make sure it's worth fixing. Well, look at the deck. It's about to fall off of it. That deck is shot. There's probably bad pulleys and everything else. Well, we're going to still make some use of what we're seeing here. Obviously, that's the wrong switch. But what we're going to talk about today is switches. There are a lot of them out there that look the same, but I'm going to show you why they are not, even though they do look the same. Stand by. Folks, we stock a ton of different switches, and you'll notice there's a lot of them up here that look alike. See the black ones there? They look the same. You got the silver ones, even that thing. But like, for instance, this silver one and this one right here, they're different. I'm going to show you why. Just because this switch looks identical to what you have doesn't mean it's the right one. If you look on the back, now there are all different types of configurations of this, and I'm going to show you some more in the book. But if you look in here on the tab, I'm going to zoom in. See that little S back there? Let's see if I can get in there where I can see it. The S down here on this tab. And then back here, that one's got a B on it. B for battery. M for magneto. And that was what? S. Guess what that is? S is for start. Oh my goodness. It's really simple, guys. Let's see. What is that? A G? I can't hardly see trying to do this with the camera. Yeah, there's a G right there, which is your ground. This one over here has L on it for lights. It's a really simple system they use on most of these. But let's go over to the book and take a look at the different kinds. Gonna give you an example right here. See, these two switches look really, really close. But if you look at the wiring on this one and this one, they're different. So you have a start at the top. Up on this one, it's over to the side. And your magneto's at the top. They're different. So it makes it very important to get your model number. And when you get your model number, and then see, here's a ton more. You get your model number and make sure you look up the correct switch for your machine, because they may look the same, but I can assure you they're not. So get that model number. A good little site I use all the time is Parts Tree. They usually have pretty good diagrams, and I'll look up my switches on there. Or, there's a few different websites around that you can use. Jack's Small Engines, or I don't know. There's a ton of them. But anyhow, look it up and just make sure you get the correct one. The codes on these things are really simple. It's pretty much what the letter says, magneto lights, starter, battery, ground. You know, X might be to your carburetor solenoid or whatever. A1 is accessory 1, A2 accessory 2, you know, different things like that. So just pay close attention when you're replacing these switches. Well, too bad we couldn't fix that John Deere. The customer did not want to spend that kind of money. So let's talk about giveaway. Rechargeable flashlight. Look at that thing. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. It's hard to see because all the light I'm looking at from outside. Great light. I love these. They're rechargeable. You don't have to buy batteries. I'll give you a little closer look here. I really like these. They're very, very handy, easy to handle, easy to stick in your pocket or whatnot. Anyhow, as soon as we reach that 400 subscribers, I'm going to announce our giveaway, and we will send the winner a brand new flashlight. We may have a little additional information in that giveaway as well. So y'all click that subscribe button, stay tuned, set the notifications to all. When you click that bell, you'll get notified when we post a new video. We also have a mail call video coming up soon, so you guys stay tuned. Thank each and every one of you for watching. Have a great day.